In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Figma. Imagine you've got a stunning image that you want to creatively shape or highlight within a design. Masking is a fantastic way to do just that. It allows you to crop or conceal parts of an image using various shapes, giving you the flexibility to integrate visuals precisely as you envision them. So let's dive right in and transform your designs with this powerful technique. Now picture this. You've just opened Figma and have your image ready to go on your canvas. The first step in masking is selecting a shape. In Figma, you're spoiled for choice. You can opt for a rectangle, an ellipse, circles, triangles, stars, whatever best suits the vision you have in mind. Feel free to experiment here. Each shape can drastically change the way your image appears. Once you've chosen a shape, drag it onto the canvas and position it directly over the image you'd like to modify. It's important to take a moment to adjust the shape's size and placement to get it just right. Position it so it covers exactly the part of the image you want to highlight. Don't worry if you're not quite sure, you can always tweak this later. After positioning your shape, the next step is to arrange it correctly in terms of layer order. You'll want to right-click on the shape and select Send to Back. This action ensures that your image remains visible, as the shape should be behind the image layer in the hierarchy. Sending the shape to the back effectively sets the stage for the masking process, and laying the groundwork correctly is critical for a successful result. Now here's the step where the magic happens. You'll need to select both your shape and the image. You can do this by holding down the Shift key while clicking each one. Once selected, right-click again and choose Use as Mask from the menu that appears. And just like that, the parts of the image outside the shape will be hidden, leaving only the area within your selected shape visible. It's a quick transformation, but one that can have a powerful impact on how your design comes together. Congratulations, you've just masked an image in Figma. Wasn't that easy? Masking not only creates an aesthetically pleasing result, but also allows you to guide your audience's focus precisely where you want it. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and sizes until you find the perfect fit for your project. Thank you for watching this tutorial on masking in Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!